Welcome to PLP. This video shows several application methods for using a hot stick to install the heavy-angle RAPTOR protector cover for tangent supports. There are two methods to install the articulating cover. The first method is to use a shotgun stick to grab the RAPTOR protector cover in a side hole. Pick up the cover and identify the socket side. This is the side that moves and rotates. Place the socket side down on the conductor, then drop the center of the cover over the insulator. Pull down to permit the non-rotating ball side of the cover to drop over the conductor on the other side of the insulator. Note that this method will also work with the shotgun stick oriented the other way. Again, place the socket side onto the conductor, pull down to place the cover over the insulator, and drop the ball side of the cover over the conductor on the other side. If installation is done from a bucket truck, an alternative method to install the cover is to use the loop molded into the top of the cover. Use a universal pigtail disconnect to pick up the cover and drop it over the conductor and insulator. While holding the center over the insulator, ensure the ends of the legs drop over the conductor and then set the center of the cover on the insulator. A shotgun stick is also well suited for this method. Grasp the cover by the molded loop, ensure the legs are set on the conductor, and set the center of the cover in place. 4 pins now need to be installed to secure the cover in place. The pins should be grasped by the shotgun stick. One way to grasp a pin is perpendicular to the hot stick. Line up the pin with the cover hole, ensuring that the pin is even and well aligned with the holes on either side. Use your hand to smack the hot stick and drive the pin through the holes. This method is best when installation is done from beneath the cover. Another way to install the pins is in line with the hot stick. Place a pin into the shotgun stick so that the pin's point is sticking out of the end. Push the pin through the holes using a sharp spearing motion. This method is best when installation is done from a bucket truck. Ensure that all 4 pins are installed to secure the RAPTOR protector cover in place. Remember, if you have a pole body, 2 hot sticks can be used for a more efficient RAPTOR cover installation process.